Today we're going to be making hand wash only cards, and these are things that I use on my Etsy shop for my drinkware. Just lets people know that the vinyl that I use is not microwave or dishwasher safe and that they should hand wash only. So first we're going to go on Canva, and this is what I've been using, but I will try to recreate it on the second page here. So I typed in microwave and found this drawing, and I decided to change the colors a bit, and as you could see I used the bluish shade in the first page, so I'm just going to recreate that. I got rid of the streaks because Cricut might cut it differently, and I just want it to be very simple for it to be printed and cut. After you play around with the colors of the microwave, you're going to want to make sure that the background is a lightish gray color. And this is so that when you upload it into Design Space, you'll be able to edit the image clearly and so that there's no remaining background. Now for this particular microwave image, I cropped it a little bit just because there are openings in the bottom, and what that will do later when the Cricut machine cuts it is it'll make it more choppy and not a smooth edge. So you want to make sure whatever image or drawing you use, it has smooth edges all around. Then you can add your text box and choose the font you'd like. I chose to write hand wash only, not microwave or dishwasher safe. And I also added a heart, which I just looked up in the Canva search box. Then you're going to download your image and make sure it's a PNG for high quality, and then click download. After that, you're going to upload it onto Design Space, and I click complex image. From here, we're going to remove the light gray background, and as you can see, there's a nice smooth finish around the image. And then you can rename your image and click continue, and then you will upload your image onto your canvas. First, you'll need to resize and duplicate your image. And you can play around with this until you meet the dimensions of the print and cut criteria, which I'll go over later. And you'll do this until you reach about 4 or 5 cards. And then you'll align them, and you'll click center horizontally and then distribute vertically. And then you'll duplicate your column, and you want to make sure that these both are lined up as well. And then I'm going to group everything together and make sure that they meet the dimensions of 9.25 inches in height. And with Cricut, it's important to remember that the print and cut feature only allows a width of 6.75 inches and a height of 9.25 inches max. And then from here, you're going to click your group, attach it and flatten it, and this is so that your Cricut machine will know what exactly to cut. After you click make it and then continue, and then send to printer, you want to make sure that there's no bleed added and that you do click use system dialog. After you send your image to the printer, you'll see that your dialog will pop up, and depending on your printer settings, I choose specialty paper matte and just use the normal quality. Once your image is printed, you're going to put it on a light grip mat and insert it into your machine using the light cardstock setting. And then your Cricut machine should cut out your card so it looks something like this. Thank you so much for watching, and this is how I make my hand wash only cards. I hope that you're able to use this to add something cute to your shop as well. Until next time!